Hi ladies, I've got something really wonderful planned for you today. It's Anita Tadavarthi, your favorite acupuncturist specialist. A lot of you have emailed me, commented, messaged, called me, and asked me if you have been diagnosed with PCOS. How do you regulate your cycle so that you know when you ovulate so you can conceive naturally? I've got a really great home acupressure protocol. It's an ear acu protocol that you can do by yourself, some self-care that can help regulate your cycle. I'm excited to share this with you today. So with that, let's get started. If you have been diagnosed with PCOS, I'd like to share with you a simple ear acu protocol that you can do at night or throughout the day to help you regulate your cycle so you know when you ovulate so you may conceive naturally. This protocol is beautiful for many reasons. It can be used on its own, or it can be used in addition to any recommendations that your physician is providing. Whether it be medications or IUI or IVF treatment, this protocol can be used on its own or with those recommendations from your physicians. With that, let me share with you this protocol. We're going to start with 2 endocrine points. First is the endocrine point, and second is also an endocrine point, but it's the pituitary point. The reason why these 2 points are very effective in this protocol is often in the clinic I have seen women struggling with PCOS with fertility. They have often an imbalance with thyroid, FSH, LH, estrogen, and progesterone. These 2 points can help regulate not only the thyroid, but the 4 hormones that are assisting in reproduction. So I recommend that before you go to bed or throughout the day, you place an ear seed or ear magnet in endocrine point number 1 and endocrine point number 2, also known as pituitary. In addition to that, I recommend that you place an ear seed or ear magnet in the liver and kidney points. In Chinese medicine, the liver and kidney meridians rule the reproductive organs. So by stimulating these 2 meridians, reproduction can happen more easily and more optimally. Next, we have another 2 sets of points, and they are the pelvic point. We have pelvic point number 1 and pelvic point number 2. The reason why these 2 points are key is because when blood flow can be brought to these areas, the reproductive organs can work more optimally. When they can work more optimally, reproduction, conception can happen more easily. Next, we have sympathetic. The reason why this point is important is because by placing an ear magnet or ear seed here, the nervous system can be balanced more easily. When we balance the nervous system, our mind and our body are more relaxed. And when we are more relaxed, the reproductive organs can easily work more optimally. Last but not least, we have the uterus point. The uterus point is very important for PCOS patients in many ways. The shedding of the uterus provides a period. In addition to that, when conception happens, the embryo implants into the uterine wall. So by doing acupressure on the uterus point, we are stimulating the uterus so that we can not only regulate our cycle, but if we need, we can allow conception to happen more easily. So again, this beautiful protocol can be used on its own, either at night or throughout the day, for regulating the cycle and for allowing conception to happen more easily by knowing when ovulation happens. It can be used in its own right, or it can be used along with the recommendations of your physician, whether it be medications or procedures such as IUI and IVF treatment. Today, I'd like to show you how to use the ear magnets. You can use the ear magnets or the ear seeds in any of our protocols that we present. But this is an ear magnet that I actually have on my Amazon finds. I vetted this ear magnet and I've used it many times over. I love these ear magnets because they are fairly easy to use and they are pretty magnetic, so you can see the grip that this magnet has. So if you're wanting to conceive, a lot of you have a partner who can help place the ear magnets or ear seeds on your ear. But if you find yourself in a situation that you need to put the ear seeds or ear magnets on your own, I want to show you a technique I learned in acupuncture school. So here I want to explain that the point doesn't have to be so perfect. I show you the points on the ear model, but the point can just simply be the tender spot. So let's say you're wanting to put the ear magnet on the liver point. Now, the liver point is on the perimeter of the ear here. And so for me, I would simply take my finger and just palpate around. Palpation is examination by touch. And there we have a tender spot right about there. So there's a beautiful saying in the I Ching, a traditional Chinese medicine book, that talks about that the point is where the tender spot is. So the point is where the point is. So once you find the tender spot in about the location of the point that I showed you on the ear model, then that's where you want to place your ear magnet or your ear seeds. So for the liver point on me, it's about right here. I can feel the tenderness right there. And so I'm going to take my ear magnet, go to the point, and the back of the ear magnet, I'm simply going to put on the back. And with that, voila, we have it. So this is simple that you can do either with your partner or using a mirror at home. And with that, I wish you all the very best. If you like this channel, then please like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's something you really want to know more about, please comment below. I've got 20 years of experience, 40,000 patients, so I'd love to share my knowledge with all of you. Also, we offer a telehealth service. I'd love to help you on your health journey. And we also have some great workshops on weight loss and fertility. So I'd love to meet with you and work with you. So look at the link below and join us for those workshops. Till next time, take care.